It's scary here. Sometimes I think about the letting go process, letting go of things that don't serve us anymore, letting go of processes, cultures, beliefs, and all things, right? And it's not a one time thing. As you grow, advance, mature in all areas, you always have to release things that are not working in order to make room for things that work. It's like, you know, how the snake removes its skin in order to grow new skin. It's the same thing. You have to always remove the old layers of belief systems and things that are stagnating you, those anchors that may not be working anymore. They worked at some point, but now you're wondering whether they make any sense. So, in that case, you remove them so that you make room for new ones. We'll always have beliefs in something, but let it be something that actually helps you, that helps you advance, helps you go forward. As always, it's Carol. I hope these videos are helping. Talk to you soon. Bye.